Dense bituminous macadam is currently the most commonly adopted binder course used in flexible pavement construction in India. The thickness of a single layer application of DBM over a previously prepared base layer can vary between 50 to 100 mm. Prior to the application of the DBM layer, the base layer should be cleared of any dust particles and a layer of prime coat and tear coat should be sprayed over the surface. Depending on the nominal maximum aggregate size, DBM can be classified as DBM1 and DBM2. DBM1 is adopted for aggregates with NMAs of 37.5 mm with layer thickness of 75 to 100 mm, and DBM2 is adopted for aggregates with NMAs of 26.5 mm with layer thickness of 50 to 75 mm. The gradation and physical properties of the aggregates and bitumen to be used in the preparation of the mix should comply with the requirements specified by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. The bitumen content to be used in the mix should be designed as per the Marshall Mix Design Procedure outlined in Asphalt Institute Manual. The binder content corresponding to 4% air voids is generally selected as the optimum binder content for the mix. The contractor is expected to prepare the job mix formula required for the work and get the approval from the site engineer at least 21 days prior to the work. The contractor should ensure that the job mix formula is based on a truly representative sample of materials that will actually be used in the work. Once the laboratory job mix formula is approved, the contractor should carry out plant trials to establish that the plant can produce a uniform mix corresponding to the approved job mix formula. Upon successful verification of the plant trials, the contractor should make arrangements to construct trial sections of not less than 100 square meter to ensure that the mix can be successfully laid and compacted. Core samples should be taken after 24 hours of laying and must be ensured that it satisfies field density of not less than 92% of the density based on theoretical maximum specific gravity. The contractor should ensure that the mixing and laying temperature of the mix satisfies the specification recommended by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways for the selected binder type. The mix prepared at the batch mixing plant should be transported to the site within 2 hours of mixing and must be laid using a mechanical paver. The paver should have the arrangements to adjust the thickness and width of laying. Compaction should be carried out immediately after the laying so as to ensure the density of the mix. Compaction should be continued until the required density of the mix is reached. Care should be taken to ensure that the required superelevation and surface smoothness is achieved after the final compaction. The pavement can be open to traffic after 24 hours of construction.